Common exam topics that we normally see as well under isotopes, right? You normally see radioactive isotopes, right? And they normally ask students to state the uses of radioactive isotopes. So we're going to be closing off this video with some of the uses of radioactive isotopes. Now the idea is that as it relates to radioactive isotopes, their nuclei, the nuclei is unstable, right? And it undergoes radioactive decay, right? And in radioactive decay, they're gonna eject small particles, right? And the reason why they eject these particles is that they want to become stable. Commonly, even though it's a topic in physics, you would normally see half-life being mentioned as it relates to radioactive isotopes. Now, what is half-life? This is the time taken for half of the nuclei in a sample of radioactive isotopes to undergo radioactive decay, right? And if you have a graph, right, because in our next video or in our coming videos, right, you will know more about half-life. Because if you're doing science, remember that you need to know how to plot graphs. So in terms of the uses, right, as it relates to radioactive isotopes, and this is a common disease that is currently taking over the world, we have cancer. Radioactive isotopes, they are normally used to treat cancer, right? You know, as it relates to chemotherapy, right, this is where they would use a beam of radiation of isotopes to burn out cancer cells and so on. You have common ones, right, as it relates to cobalt, stuff like that. So you can also do further research on that. Also, another use would be energy generation, right? In terms of isotopes, they are used to power nuclear plants. Believe it or not, some countries also use radioactive isotopes to make atomic bombs, nuclear bombs. Uranium, those are common elements that are essential as it relates to energy generation, right? Or even atomic bombs and so on.